everyone, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is always down below. I post beauty lifestyle panning and more. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my update. I believe this is my first update for my rolling style project pan. I feel like this is actually going pretty well so far, but let's, I guess, get to it. Okay, so the first thing I've been working on, I've actually done a pretty good job with this. I'm not really sure where it's at, but this is the Yenza Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. I believe I got this in an Ipsy. I'm pretty sure that's where this came from. I'm not really sure where it's at. I don't want to like squeeze this because then it will come out. I think it's at about like probably right here. I feel like there's an air bubble in there, so next time I use this I need to definitely squeeze that out, and then we'll probably be able to tell. I mean, I can look at it on the light and it almost looks like it's down like right here. I don't know, we'll see, but it's going okay. I think I've used this about 4 to 5 times and we're gonna keep going. So next thing I feel like we've also used like 5 or 6 times is this ColourPop Luxe Gloss. As of right now, it's about right there, right here in there. There's not too much left, but I'm still getting off a bit. It does kind of like, it doesn't smell bad, but I definitely should be using this. I'm hoping to use it a lot more so that way I can take the stopper out and kind of get whatever's left in there. It is a really pretty nude, but I go for more lip oils these days, even though this is very hydrating and kind of gives that hydration, but we'll kind of see what we get with that. And also I want to pan more lotion, so I did start panning the Lush Snow Fairy, and I know I was kind of confused as to what the use up is. I definitely think it was January 29th, 24, and we still have a lot left, but it doesn't even smell bad. So like, I don't think it's expired, but we definitely should be using this. So I'm gonna try and use this more, but this is like the cotton candy, so it is more of like a stronger scent, but we're gonna keep trying to use it. And we'll see how that goes. So then we do have 2 rollouts. So I finished up the John Frieda. This is the Frizz Ease Daily Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner and stuff. I'm happy for it to be used up. There's like a tiny bit left, but like it's literally hardly spraying. So we're calling this done. And then I also finished as that whole bunch of products falls on the floor. I also finished up this NYX matte finishing spray. Just recently got this in one of the advent calendars I was unboxing on TikTok. I believe it's like the Target one, and use this up. Happy to use it up. It's not my favorite setting spray, but it's also not the worst. But I'm excited to have this out of the collection and to move on to bigger and better things. I'm not really sure what we're gonna pan next, but I have 2 things to roll back in, or to roll in these things place, but we're gonna pick those and then I'll be right back. Okay, I picked my items, so I was kind of at a loss of what to work on, but I picked my items. So the first thing I picked, I really want to use this. I don't really know what my goal is going to be with this or how much I want to use up, but this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand, the contour in the Fair Light shade. I feel like this looks a little gray on me. I can definitely make it work, but it is more gray on my skin tone, but I do kind of want to use this up. I want to use it up, but I don't know if I should, you know what I mean? But I want to work on this, so we'll kind of work on this, see how it goes. I haven't used it in a while, but we're gonna use that. And I wasn't sure what else to pan. A lot of my drawers are looking crazy, so I definitely need to do like some declutter or work on, but I haven't really used this, so I decided to roll this in. This is the Naked Blush Matte. I believe this is a lipstick from Flower Beauty. I definitely want to use this just to see like what I think of the color, try this out. I believe this is another product my mom gave me. but I definitely want to work on that. Yeah, I'm gonna work on these. We'll kind of see how it goes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you're panning, how your projects are going. I would love to hear about it, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.